everyone, in today's video I'll tell you how to fix incoming call not showing problem in your device Vivo T3. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. Before move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Watch complete video and learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.